get a couple pictures really quick.
Yeah. What is going on, everybody? Today we are taking a look at my first Model Y, a new little toy from Radio Flyer. You might be familiar with the battery-powered Model S. This one is for kids that are slightly younger. It's not battery-powered, and it just came out. So it's $100, so not too bad of a deal. So we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to see if Giant Baby is into it, if she thinks it's cool. So this is the box. I can also show you a couple pictures of that. So let's get it open. It's a new toy from Radio Flyer. You might be familiar with the Model S. That's a battery-powered toy for older kids. This one is for kids starting as young as 1.5, and it's not battery-powered, and it goes all the way up to 4 years old. What do you think? So just opening up the side here. Can you see it all right? So there's this is the whole thing. So that's cool. Probably don't need to put too much together. Please don't throw that off the deck. And then here's the steering wheel wrapped in plastic. So let's get all this undone and put together. So here is the steering wheel. This is actually battery powered. It does have a horn. So the batteries would go in here. Sound comes out of here. So we can have Baby play with this for now. Perfect. There's nothing else in the box. So we'll get rid of that. Here's the car wrapped in paper to stop from scratches and stuff. Whoa, wow, the paint's really nice. I didn't expect that. So it's a red Model Y. This is the only color you can get. The Model S, which I did a review of that too, I will link that above. Yes, please help me take that off. The Model S, you can get different colors, different license plates, all kinds of stuff. This, there's not really many options, at least for now. What do you think? Ooh. Should probably read the directions, right?
Are there directions?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna read them. We're just gonna figure it out.
I think it's pretty simple. I say that now.
Well, this has to go here. What the heck? I'm gonna read the directions. Hey, bring that back. Baby would like to help with the screwdriver.
I can't give her the extra poke herself.
Right. Wow, that rolls really nicely. Actually, these wheels are rubber, which is pretty cool.
Won't scratch my floors.
Yeah. Okay, so to install this, you actually gotta turn it over, and there's like the whole drivetrain under there, axle and everything. So this hook-shaped part goes here. Put this up through, and the hook locks into this part, and then when you turn it, twisting it will control the steering like that. No. Play with your brand new Model Y. She wants the steering wheel. Alright, so we put the batteries in. So then we put this up through the bottom. Steering wheel goes on here. And once that's all the way down, just making sure this is pressed up all the way. Steering wheel is down. And then you put this through. That goes all the way to the other side. And then it came with a bolt here. And the bolt goes on. And we need the screwdriver for that too. So that's it. Really simple once you get it done. You like that? Perfect. Keep trying. We got a knee walker. She's a little young to, she's under 18 months, so she's a little young to probably be steering with it and everything. But it rides really smooth. I can't believe the tires are rubber. That was one of my complaints with the Model S from Radio Flyer, is the tires are hard plastic. So not very nice, but these tires are really nice and quiet and smooth. Oh yeah, you're not quite tall enough to use it yet. So that's, you know, it says 18 months to 4 years. So the way she can use it for now is like you saw, she'll hold it and she'll walk around going backwards. And also this.
She wants to climb on it.
Now she's just gonna want to climb on it. Sorry, you're
you
not
can
tall
push
enough.
her on it.
There you go. Yeah.
Because her feet don't really touch the ground, so.
Spread your feet out. Ninja.
Wow!
Oh, he probably hears this horn, so he's barking at the horn. That's funny. Put your whole hand on it. There you go. So pretty cool, pretty simple. $100 I think is a pretty fair price, especially if it lasts until she's 4 years old. That's a really long time. But we'll see if it doesn't get destroyed by then. There's really no other features. The frunk doesn't open, the trunk doesn't open, headlights, nothing else. It's just you get the horn and then they get to ride around on it. Pretty cool, my first Model Y. I'll leave the link to this in the description. We just picked it up and so pretty cool little thing. We picked it up. $100 is not too bad of a price, especially if it lasts until she's 4. If you have any questions about it, leave them down below. I'll be sure to answer those. I hope you enjoyed this one, and you will see us in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
So Autopilot and I are happily driving along. So Autopilot and I are happily driving along.